Alright, so today I got a 2023 Infiniti QX80 remote. This is how you open up the remote to replace the battery. Now if you flip it over, and right here on the right there's a switch that we're going to switch over to the right, and we're going to hold it down with our thumb. Then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Should slide right out. Now at the bottom of the remote, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and you used to see like there's a slot like right here, and there's a slot right here. We're going to use the screwdriver and put it in here. Now it doesn't go very far on either one. We're going to put it right in here, and we're just going to give it a twist, and that will crack open the remote enough to help you open it. Okay, so we can go around here and just carefully pry it open. Okay. And all you need is the back half of the remote. Part with the buttons you can just set to the side. Now we're going to use the flathead screwdriver and just pop the battery out. It'll be kind of hard to grab. I'm trying not to drop it, so pull it right out. I'll show you what size it is. Size is going to be a CR2025 with the positive sign. There's a positive sign right here. It's facing down. We're going to put it into the remote. We're going to put it against these contacts first, and then lock it in there. Okay, so if you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link down there. It takes you to Amazon. They'll tell you what size you need if you need the size again, and you can purchase the battery there for like less than $2. So look at that if you need to get a battery. You just get the two halves, put them together, start at the top, and just start smashing it in or smashing it down until everything locks. And you put the emergency key back in, and if it goes in and locks, you're all done, good to go. I hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could.